And this is all it does. Eventually it'll start working, but someday it's going to blow us up. And we've brought it many times, 2 or 3 times for you to look at. And I don't see how this can be normal. Both tanks, the gas is on full. If we turn it off, maybe for a few minutes, a couple times, it'll eventually will light. Then it's fine for a while, and then when it needs to be reignited, reheated, we'll go through this. Just on this weekend trip alone, I don't know, 8, 9 times it's easily caused a little explosion thing. I think it's stopped now because the red light's on inside and it will not fire anymore.